How's it going, ladies and gentlemen, known as YouTubers? It is me, System Sensor 250, and welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be doing another smoke alarm test video. So, today's smoke alarm test video, I'm actually pointing the camera down the floor because I have a special surprise I would like to share. Because there is a surprise. So stay tuned. So today we're going to be doing a smoke alarm test number 9. I'll get back to it just as... Oh. Sorry about that. So anyway, so today we're going to be doing a smoke alarm test number 9. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Now, before we get right into today's video, considering smashing the subscribe button, smash the like button, and please don't forget to smash the bell button. If you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just contact me in the comments, or you can chat me on the Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's go ahead and get right into today's video. And guys, let's get started the smoke alarm test video. So, I have the wooden table. So, the reason why I have this wooden table, it's gone. So, I have this outside. So, the reason why, you ready? Voila. My new table is now just arrived. I still have one of these old chairs, so we're going to get rid of them as well. And then we're going to get my gaming chair. So here's the smoke alarm. It is the first alert CO400 carbon monoxide alarm. Let's close the door real quick. So, as you can see here, you see the red warning symbol? We just got a severe thunderstorms right now. As you can see here, it is actually pouring raining outside. I just hear a lot of thunder. So I just reviewed the notifications from the emergency weather alert, and then we just got a second alert again. So thank you so much for Midland for alert me. So we're gonna give you a test in just a sec. So stay tuned for that. And guys, make sure you guys check out the severe thunderstorms warning in my area. It is actually uploading right now. It might be finished as soon as I publish this one. It will be finished. So. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right onto the smoke alarm test video. Alright, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. That was quick. Quick press. Oof. Pretty a little bit nervous, as you can see here. And guys, just letting you know, I still have the Midland X-Talker. So, and guess what? I just ordered the secret walkie-talkie that I can use for the tornado siren scanning. Battlefield UV-5R. So stay tuned for that. So let's go ahead and do another smoke alarm test video before we end up for today's video. It might be just a little bit short, so. Alright, let's go ahead and do that again. Oh, I wasn't even ready. Here we go. There we go. Well, that wasn't too bad, especially I was standing right there and it's loud. And then as soon as I get stand back a little bit, it's not quite too loud. So, not too bad. So anyways, yep, stay tuned for the Midland alert test number 9. So, anyways, we can go ahead and do one more test before we end up with today's video. That's a little bit perfect, usually. Well guys, what do you think of the smoke alarm test video so far? Let me know in the comments. anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Before we end up with today's video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and please don't forget to smash the bell button. If you two guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just contact me in the comments, or you can chat me on the Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. And guys, please don't forget to check out my latest video through my homepage as well too. And guys, please don't forget to check out the Greenville updates. Greenville just keep releasing new updates. If you guys want to check out the Greenville updates, go to Discord and join Greenville. And guys, stay tuned. We're gonna be doing a trip, and we're gonna be doing Fall Flight video. So guys, stay tuned for that, and make sure you guys stay tuned for the Baofeng EV-5R unboxing. So stay tuned as well. So anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we will catch you guys back later in the next video. Peace.